Hey guys, Vikas here. So before you open your banking app on your iPhone, there are two settings you really need to turn off first. And trust me, most people have no idea these are even a security risk. Because here's the thing, your banking app holds some of the most sensitive info you own. And these two little settings, they can quietly expose it or leave a door open for someone else. So let's shut them down. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first setting to turn off is your lock screen access. Now here's why this matters. When your bank sends you a login code or an alert, it pops up as a notification. And if your lock screen shows notification previews, anyone can literally read that code or your bank alerts without even unlocking your phone. Yeah, scary, right? So let's fix it. Open up settings, scroll down and tap notifications. Now tap show previews at the top and change it to when unlocked, or honestly even never if you want maximum privacy. So now your banking codes and alerts stay hidden until your face or passcode unlocks the phone. Nobody can peek at them off a locked screen anymore. And while we are on the lock screen, let's lock down one more thing. Go back to settings, tap Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode. Now scroll down to the Allow Access when logged section and turn off Notification Center and Today View and Search, because these let someone swipe on your locked phone and browse your recent alerts, including banking ones. So switch those off. Alright, now the second setting, and this one is huge. It's called Stolen Device Protection. Now wait, this one you actually turn on, not off. But stick with me because it's the single most important thing for protecting your bank apps, and I promise it fits here. So here's the deal. If a thief steals your phone and has seen your passcode, like over your shoulder in a cafe, they can get into everything. Your passwords, your saved cards, your bank apps. But stolen device protection stops that cold. So let's turn it on. Go to settings, tap Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, scroll down to stolen device protection and turn it on. So now, even if someone knows your passcode, they can't get into your sensitive stuff without your actual Face ID. No passcode fallback. So your banking apps, your saved payment info, your Apple ID, all of it stays protected. So real quick to recap, before you open your bank app, 1. Hide your notification previews and turn off lock screen access so nobody reads your banking codes of a locked phone. And 2. Turn on stolen device protection so a thief with your passcode still can't get into your accounts. 2 minutes of setup and your banking is way safer. So I hope this helped you lock things down. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more iPhone security tips. And I'll catch you guys in the next one here on Vakastic.